Dude, you will not believe what happened today.
Oh God, what now?
I dropped my coffee on my laptop.
Wait, you're serious?
Yeah, keyboard soaked, laptop's dead.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, hilarious, right?
Hilarious? Dude, brutal.
I know, but you gotta laugh.
Yeah, well, that sucks. Big time.
See, that's the banter. That's what Americans do.
Explain.
We make fun of misery lately. Sarcasm, teasing, jokes.
Like, that's just great.
Exactly. Or tell me about it when someone complains.
Got it. So it's funny and sympathetic.
Yep, you acknowledge the pain and tease a bit.
Okay, tricky.
Nah, you just react naturally.
Like?
Friend, I totally failed my test. Wow, you're perfect at everything else though.
Oh, that's subtle.
Exactly. Soft laugh, soft dig.
What if they're super mad?
Then back off. Tone is everything.
So sarcasm equals careful.
Yeah, lighthearted only, not mean.
Okay, examples?
Great, spilled my coffee. Oh, perfect. Just what you needed.
So you exaggerate the misery.
Exactly. Punchline lives in the exaggeration.
And Americans get it instantly.
Yeah, they'll laugh, nod, complain back.
So it's a rhythm.
Yes, flow of small jokes, teasing, sarcasm.
And well, that sucks is like a classic line.
You use it before the joke, sometimes after.
Got it. Mixed sympathy plus humor.
Exactly. You feel it, then you say it.
This is why I always felt confused.
Yeah, Americans love this. It's casual. Social glue.
So if I fail at it, I look weird.
Nah, just try. Tone will save you.
Okay, repeat after me. Well, that sucks.
Perfect.
Then exaggerate. Ugh, that's just fantastic.
Exactly. That's the art.
Man, Americans are weirdly funny.
Yeah, but it works. Builds bonds.
I'll try it next time.
And if it fails, just laugh louder.
Deal.
Okay, so get this. My roommate ate my leftovers.
No way.
Way! And he's like, oops, my bad.
Wow, that's hilarious.
Hilarious? More like murderous rage.
Yeah, but you say hilarious anyway. That's the vibe.
Exactly. You exaggerate the drama, keep it light.
And Americans get it instantly.
Yep, like, that's just perfect. Exactly what I needed.
That's sarcasm 101.
Or, wow, genius move, really.
That works in every little disaster.
Exactly. Coffee spill, late bus, bad haircut.
You just throw in a sarcastic punchline.
Yeah, and sometimes they hit back with the same vibe.
So it's like a rhythm.
Banter, teasing, casual sarcasm.
Got it. And timing matters.
Huge. Too early or too harsh, fails.
Too late, also weird.
Yep, that's why Americans practice it all day.
So it's like verbal ping pong.
Exactly. Small jokes, soft digs, exaggerated sighs.
And well, that sucks is like mandatory.
Soft sympathy, glue line.
Okay, last tests. I dropped my phone in water.
Oh, perfect. Exactly what you needed today.
Ha, nailed it.
See? That's banter. Social bonding, American style.
I get it now. Casual, playful, never literal.
Yep. Once you get it, conversations flow.
And you stop overthinking everything.
Humor is the glue, sarcasm is the secret handshake.
Love that.
Okay, so my boss emailed me like 10 times today.
Oh no, that's hilarious.
Hilarious? More like pure terror.
Yeah, but you exaggerate. That's the trick.
Exactly. I'm like, wow, you must really like me.
Classic. That's American sarcasm right there.
Or yesterday, my cat knocked over my water bottle.
No way.
Way! And I go, oh, perfect. Just what I needed.
That works for literally anything.
Yeah, spilled coffee, late bus, wrong text. You exaggerate the pain, throw in a laugh.
And the other person can do the same back, right?
Yep, soft punchline ping pong.
It's like social glue.
Exactly. And if someone complains,
You say what?
well, that sucks, but wow, nice try.
Love it.
Or, spilled coffee on your laptop? Fantastic.
I see. Exaggerate, make it playful, not mean.
Bingo. Tone saves you.
And timing, right? Too early or too harsh fails.
Exactly. Too late, awkward.
So Americans kind of practice sarcasm all day.
Yep. Ping-ponging punchlines, teasing, laughing.
And well, that sucks is like mandatory.
Soft sympathy. Glue line.
Okay, last test. I dropped my phone in water.
Oh, perfect. Exactly what you needed today.
Ha, nailed it.
See? That's banter. Social bonding American style.
I get it now. Casual, playful, never literal.
Yep. Once you get it, conversations flow.
And you stop overthinking everything.
Humor is the glue, sarcasm is the secret handshake.
Ha, love that.